Hi everyone, I'm Nelly Morena and today I will show you a makeup on myself. I will create today a bare skin and the accent will be on the lips. So it's all about no makeup. First of all, I'm using Micell cleansing water to clean my skin, and after that I'm using hydrating primer mixed with pearl pigment sensation. In that way I can create a very glowy and hydrated skin. Now I will apply Longwear foundation in shade M35. I'm applying a super thin layer on my skin as I want a really naked result. I'm using a buffer brush to create an airbrushed finish. I'm applying now HD Pro Concealer in shade 2R15. I'm applying just in the inner corner of my eyes as I don't want to overload them with product. I'm highlighting also the nasolabial folds. I'm using now HyE Rich Lip Conditioner to hydrate my lips. I love this texture. It's a texture with hyaluronic acid. It has slightly pinky color and the lips are looking after that moisturized, soft and perfused. I will use now Radiance Mineral Loose Powder in shade M35. The powder has a luminous finish and I'm using it just in the middle of my face to set my concealer. In that way I will have a setted result and at the same time glowiness. I will brush my eyebrows with a comb and as you can see I have some gaps to fill. For this I'm using ID Brows. It's an eyebrow cream gel and the color name is Cool Top. To keep the no makeup finish, I will not contour my skin. I will use instead a liquid lipstick in shade LL26 Fairy Tale and I will create a very natural blusher over my face. To create a dewy and glowy result, I'm using HyE Rich Lip Conditioner over my face. This product is not just for the lips, it goes very well for eyes and skin. I will use a grey shade from NUDE GLAM palette to create a slightly blended eyeliner in the outer corner of my eyes. I will highlight the inner corner of my eyes with pearl pigment sensation. I'm applying a thin layer of mascara to keep the finish very natural. I will use now Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in shade LL25. The name of the shade is MOLDOVA. If you apply a thin layer of this lipstick, you will have a fuchsia lip color. By applying the second layer, you will have a juicy cool red shade. Thanks for watching, hope you liked it today. See you next time, bye bye.